Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the area of the veranda. The cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. Right? Here you see, this is the room. Right? This is the room. The room is, the length is 5.5 meter and width is 4 meter, right? And here the veranda is width of 2.25 meter is constant all along the side. That means this is 2.25, this is also 2.25, this is also 2.25 meter, and this is also 2.25 meter. Now you have to find the length of GF and length of EF, right? Here you see total length is 5.5. That means you have to add 2.5 plus 2.5 to get the length of AB, right? Let us write that length of the room that is area of the veranda. Let us find first of all length of the room is solved in this way. We are getting length of the room. Let us find that length of the room, length 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 of the room of the room length of the room is equal to length of the room is equal to 5.5 meter is equal to 5.5 meter 5.5 meter. Breadth of the room breadth of the room is equal to 5.5 5.5. Here see this is 5.5, this is 2.5, this is 2.5. You have to add, that is breadth of the room is 4 meter, not 5.5, it is 4 meter. Let us rub this one, it is actually 4 meter. Let us rub, the breadth of the room is given as 4 meter, it is 4 meter, right? Now we'll find the length of the room with veranda. Length of the room, length of the room, length of the room, length of the room with veranda. Length of the room with veranda is equal to, length of the room is 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5.5 5.5 plus 2.5 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 2.25, that is in meter. We add this one, that is 5.5 plus 2.25 2.25 plus 2.25. This we are getting 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, it is 0. 5 1 6, 7 8 9 10, carry 1, it is 0, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7 8 9 10. That we are getting 10 meter, that is we are getting 10 meter, that is equal to 10 meter. And breadth of the room with veranda, breadth of the room, breadth of the room with veranda, with veranda. Breadth is, here you see, this is 4 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, It is 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 meter. Add this one, that is 4.00, 4.00, then 2.25, 2.25 plus 2.25. 5, 5, 10, carry 1, it is 0. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 2 to the 4 plus 4, 8. 8.50. That is comes to 8.50. This 0 will cut 8.5. That is 8.5 meter. That means the room breadth of the room with veranda, that is this one, is the length of AD is 8.5. Length of AD or BC, you can say it as 8.5 meter. 8.5 meter. And the length of AB, the length of AB will be 10 meter. 10 meter, right? We'll find the area of this shaded portion, right? Therefore, area of veranda, therefore you can find, therefore area of veranda is equal to area of veranda is equal to area of ABCD, area of ABCD, A, B, C, D, minus area of EFGH, area of EFGH, that is equal to area of ABCD. Area of ABCD is, the length is 10 and breadth is 8.5, that is 10. Area of ABC length is 10 meter, that is 10, and breadth is, here you see, that is 8.5, 8.5 meter square minus area of EFGH. The length of EF is 5.5, it is 4. The length of EF is 5.5, length is 5.5, and breadth is 4, that is also in meter square. Therefore, we will get 8.5 into 10, that is 85 meter square minus 5.5 into 4, that is 5.5 into 4, that is 4 for 20, 2 it is 0, 4 for 20 plus 2, 22, minus 22, minus 22 meter square. Therefore, 85 minus 22, 5 minus 2 is 3, this is 63, that is 63 meter square. That is equal to 63, that is equal to 63 meter square. This is question number 1. The area of the veranda is equal to 63 meter square. This is question number 1. And in question number 2, here you see, the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. The cost of cementing, the cost the cost of cementing, the cost of cementing, the cost of cementing, the cost of cementing 1 meter square, 1 meter square, 1 meter square, the floor of veranda, 1 meter square of the floor, cementing 1 meter square of floor, of veranda, is rupees 200, is rupees 200. Therefore the cost of cementing, 63 meter square, 63 meter square of floor of veranda is rupees 200, is rupees 200 into 63, and that will be equal to rupees, if we multiply 63 with 2, we will get, multiply 63 with 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 1 2 6 0 0, that is 12,600, 12,000, that is 1 2 1 2 6 0 0 rupees. That is 12,600 rupees, right? First of all, we have to find the area of the veranda, that means area of the ABCD minus area of EFGH, that comes to 63 meter square. The cost of cementing 1 meter square of floor of veranda is rupees 200. Therefore, the cost of cementing 63 meter square of floor of the veranda is 200 into 63, that comes to rupees 12,600, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.